Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing what's in my fridge and what's in my cupboards, so I hope you like it. So this is what the fridge looks like. As you can see, we have all these different ornaments on it. So now let's see what's inside. So like this. We'll start off at the top. So for the first shelf, as you can see, there's cans of cola, 10 pack of cans of cola, and then you have corner yogurts, 2 bags with different flavours in them, as you can see in the back. 2 packs of cola, the smaller can ones. We have our meats, which is ham, egg and ham and haslet, and then some butter, that's the one we like to get. For the second shelf, as you can see, there's a minced beef and onion pie with salad and some water. These little snack box things, like Lunchables and stuff. And then some more of them. These got Doritos in them though. They're like cheese and Dorito things. And there's a bit more at the back, like as you can see. And then some packs of Rolo yogurts. And then in the back we have Munch and Bunch chocolate and cream. Sorry, let's go over it. And then you come to these little yogurts things, like where you squeeze them in your mouth really. And they're in pineapple and strawberry. And then you have, that's just the fridge alarm, I show it. Then you have refrigerators, one in chicken and one dim, and some more of these snack boxes. To come to the third shelf, we have Yazoo, which is milkshakes, chocolate milkshakes. We have more in the back, so that's like 2 packs and some loose ones. Then you have more corner yogurt, and then some eggs at the bottom. And then we have some sausage rolls, which personally I don't eat. Sorry about the alarm. And then we have some burgers where you just heat them up in the microwave. For the fourth shelf, as you can see in the background, we have smoothies, which are in strawberry, and then some more sausage rolls, some more cans of cola. I think there's, some more cans of cola and 1 lemonade behind the bread. As now you know, this is bread getting this soft white. So that is the fourth shelf. Now we go to the side of the fridge where to start off is with these cheese strings and some more packets behind, a drink of cranberry, a small can of cola, 2 as you can see in the hiding of the back, some pepperoni stick things, obviously you can see tiny mini ones, and then you get the bigger versions, and then beetroot, whole baby beetroot by Sainsbury's, as you can see on the thing. So then we go down, which is a sandwich, another can of cola, some Active Baby Bells, some Baby Bells in the purple, and some jam. And then you go further down, which has some more cans of cola. This one's broken, as you can see. Some water and one of them smoothies. Some milk. Need a lot of milk because go for it a lot. Some yogurt. That's what that looks like. And then go further down, you have 2 more yogurts on Onken, whatever that's called. Some more cans of cola, but more bigger ones. Some juice things in the back. A small milk. And some noodles. So now we go to this cupboard, which is mostly where we put biscuits and stuff for us. So as you come into it, you can see there's spaghetti hoops, some pot noodles, that is cappuccino box, some biscuits, Fiber 190, some cereal bars as well. And then you go downwards where you can see mini packs of, I don't even know what that's supposed to be. You have some cocoa milk crispy bars, some coconut biscuits, them straw things for what you put in your milk, some more cappuccinos and some coke. And as you can see, there's more of them, probably in a different flavour. So mainly it's all biscuits and stuff for us to eat. So this is the cupboard, the top cupboard. So now we go to the lower cupboard, which I will open for you to see, which we store our cups in on the top shelf. So look, Bear cups, some Nazareth cups, an Elvis cup, which we all know is my mum's, a Minion cup with my name on it, which my cousin got me from Blackpool years ago. This cup, I don't even know where that's from. So they're the cups. And then you go further down to where we keep all our cans of food, of course. So you have beans, Heinz beans, because they're the best ones. Some Heinz spaghetti, because that's like mostly the better brand. As you can see, we have them in soups. And then some peeled new potatoes. Mostly for my mum. Some pineapple slices, which you might have seen. I don't know. Some pear haffles, or whatever you call them. Some peas. Some more soup. Chicken noodle, which is what I eat. Some beef broth, what my mum eats. Some coffee. And you can see it's got oatmeal. Some crunchy nut, tasty anytime snack. So that's that. And then if you go further in the back, you can see there's more tins and stuff. Down there is more chicken soup and stuff. Some more cups, as you can see, is stored in the back. Some more spaghetti. More fine beans. So most of that's all it is, like peeled potatoes, the soup, beans, spaghetti, stuff like that. Because that's what we like. So this would be the cupboard. And the next thing is yours some donuts on the side. 3 donuts. Because one has obviously been eaten. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, comment. And I hope you liked it. What I do, and there'll be more in the future, of course. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.